Okay, I don't have this completely reassembled, but I reassembled the mainspring or the winding spring to the barrel housing, and I put one screw in this just to see if I can make sure it'll wind. And it was. I suppose I got it caught now. Oh, wouldn't you know it, the mainspring's wound all the way up. But this will wind, and it will come back up, so you can actually wind this thing from the wall. It's kind of a clever little mechanism. So I'll go ahead now and take this all back down, clean this mechanism, put it back together, and this is the front of it. Let's see if I can get you a little better picture of this. And I'll put her back in the clock housing, and we'll have a nice little clock for them. So the next step is to clean it and get her back together.